If you've ever wanted to grow on Pinterest but felt stuck because creating pins takes too much time, this is going to simplify everything. Instead of designing one pin at a time, you can create 100 high-quality Pinterest pins in just a few minutes using Chatgpt and Canva together. This method saves hours of work and helps you stay consistent without burning out. Start with ChatGPT. This is where all your content ideas come from. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can instantly generate a full list of Pinterest titles, hooks, or ideas. Just type a prompt like, "Generate 100 Pinterest pin titles for your niche," and let it do the heavy lifting. Within seconds, you'll have a complete list of ready-to-use content ideas. Once the list is generated, copy everything and paste it into Excel or Google Sheets. Make sure each title is placed in its own row. This step is important because it prepares your content for Canva's bulk creation tool. Think of this sheet as the engine that will power all your designs. Now move over to Canva. From the dashboard, create a new design. A simple and effective starting size is 300 by 300 pixels, especially if you want something flexible and easy to adjust later. You can also use Pinterest's standard vertical size if you prefer, but the process stays the same. Next, build a clean, reusable template. Add a background that matches your brand. This could be a solid color, gradient, or pattern. Then insert a text box where your pin title will go. You can also add a frame for images if you want to include visuals later. Keep the design simple and consistent because strong branding helps your pins stand out while scrolling. Now comes the powerful part, Canva's Bulk Create feature. Open the Apps section and find Bulk Create. Upload your Excel or Google Sheets file, then connect the column containing your pin titles to the text box in your design. This step basically tells Canva to replace that text with every entry from your list. After mapping your data, click Generate. In seconds, Canva will automatically create a separate design for every single title in your spreadsheet. That means if you added 100 ideas, you'll instantly get 100 pins fully designed and ready to go. Take a moment to review your designs. You can quickly adjust text size, tweak colors, or swap backgrounds if needed. Even small improvements can make a big difference in how professional your pins look. Once everything looks good, download your designs in bulk. From there, you can upload and schedule them on Pinterest using your preferred scheduling tool. With one session, you've just created weeks or even months of content. The real advantage here isn't just speed, it's consistency. When you remove the friction of creating content, it becomes much easier to show up regularly, and that's what drives growth on Pinterest. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment with what you want to learn next, and subscribe for more practical tutorials that save you time and get real results.